Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows 10 and 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. First, what we're going to do is to right-click on the Start icon or the Windows icon right at the bottom part of your screen, and let's open up Task Manager. From here, make sure that you are in the Processes tab, and once you're here, what we're going to do is to find Google Chrome, select it. You can right click on it and click on End Task. Do this for the other Google Chrome apps that pops up here, and you can just scroll through and make sure that you have ended the task for Google Chrome within the Task Manager. After that, go try and open up Google Chrome again, and if that does not work, what we're going to do is to search for Google Chrome, and we right click on this and click on Open File Location. From here, let's right click again on Google Chrome, and once again, click on Open File Location. From here, we see the application Chrome. We can right click on it, and what we're going to do is to rename it. So click on Rename, and we will rename it to Chrome 1, like that, and hit Enter to rename Chrome. Once you have done that, try to open up Chrome from here, double click on it, and see that your Chrome will function normally again. You can also right click on it to create a shortcut to your desktop, pin to start, to easily have access to it. If that does not work, what we're going to do is to open up another browser, for example, Microsoft Edge, and we're going to reinstall Chrome. So let's go to the site that says google.com/Chrome. Hit enter, and you should be in this page, and you'll be able to download Chrome and follow the installer to reinstall Chrome again. And that is how you can basically fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.